Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, my name is David Saputra. I from class PBEC and I from Department of English Education. Okay, today I want to read this text about the title Grammar Instruction in Communicative Language Teaching Classrooms, Students, Teachers, Perception. The authors are Muhammad Holania, Dian Erlina Leni Murzalina, and Fitria Rembulan Ramadhani. Abstract. The aim of this study was to find out the teachers' and students' perception toward grammar instruction in communicative language teaching classrooms. The participants of this study were 2 teachers and 4 students from an Islamic junior high school madrasah. We used a case study method to conduct this research to identify teachers and students' perception in teaching and learning grammar instruction in communicative language teaching classroom. The data were collected by using interviews. The data were analyzed by using thematic analysis. The findings indicate that there were 5 indicators on student-teachers' perception. 1. Grammar was a crucial component in improving English skills. 2. Using classroom activities to promote communicative activities in the classroom. 3. Error correction was seen as one of process to create students in mastering materials. 4. Teaching grammar instruction in CLT classroom. Teachers act as motivator and facilitate all students' need. 5. Students should take part on the process of learning. Introduction. Grammar is the language framework and system of meaning. Every language seems to have a grammar, and persons speaking in similar language will communicate because they naturally understand the grammar structure, which is the rules of meaning. In the importance of teaching English grammar as a foreign language, various methods and approaches have been applied to enhance learners' competence. Using CLT to teach grammar in the second language classrooms in an effort to improve students' attitude toward language learning and to have positive effect in their learning process. The changing of teaching culture from teacher control to student control caused by the CLT approach also brought a change in concepts in how to teach. The adoption of CLT in Indonesian language teaching curriculum has gone through several changes and development. Literature review. The concept of communicative language teaching. Communicative language teaching, or CLT, is one of approach to language teaching. This approach was formed from the awareness that language is a system for communication, not just a set of the rules. Role of students, teacher, and grammar instruction in the CLT. Communication language teaching emphasizes on self-direction for students. Teachers no longer rely on activities that involve repetition, accuracy, and the memorization of sentences. They require students to communicate in context and communicate meaningfully in foreign language. Communicative activities play an important role in teaching communicative language. As Richard 2001 states, in communicative competence, there are several approaches that help students involve learners in communication. Methodology. Research design participant, and locale of the study. The study used intrinsic case study method as the way to collect the data. This study was conducted in Islamic Junior High School, Palembang. We chose English teachers and students of the 9th grades at MTSN 2 Palembang by using purposeful sampling technique. The aim of purposeful sampling was to choose the individual that could provide the information rich and the most detailed information to help the researchers and answer the research question. Lodico, Spaulding, and Feuchtel, 2010. Data collection and analysis. In this research, in order to find out the teachers and students' perception in grammar instruction in communicative language teaching, we use interview in order to gain information. Findings. The data gained from interviews were analyzed by using thematic analysis. The description of the findings were explained as follows. Teacher perception. After analysis the data from interview, we found that there was some teachers' perception toward grammar instruction in communicative language teaching. The importance of grammar. Based on the data obtained from the interviews, we got some teacher perception about grammar instruction and communicative language teaching. Classroom activities. Based on the data obtained from interview, it was found some perception toward grammar instruction in communicative language teaching. Quality and quantity of error correction. Based on the data obtained from interview, we found that most of teachers agreed that error correction was one of the processes to create students in mastering materials. Role of teacher in classroom. The data obtained from interview showed that in teaching grammar instruction, in communicative language teaching classrooms, the role and contribution of students in the learning process. The data gotten from the interviews also revealed that the role and contribution of students in the learning process. Discussion. After analyzing the data by using thematic analysis, it was found that there was several information about teachers and student perception toward grammar instruction in communicative language teaching classroom. Those consistent of A. The importance of grammar. B. Classroom activities. C. Quality and quantity of error correction. D. The role of teacher in classroom. E. The role and contribution of students in the learning process. The second was classroom activities. It was designed to develop fluency in changes classroom interaction and increases motivation. The third, quality and quantity of error correction. The teacher used this to convey mistake to the students that their contribution were unacceptable of incorrect and that they should consider or clarify them. The fourth was the role of teacher in classroom. In teaching grammar instruction in communicative language teaching, teachers act as motivator in the teaching learning process. It was also found that most of the teachers train the students to take responsibility and self-discipline to develop their activities. The fifth was the role and contribution of students in the learning process. Conclusions. Based on the data analyzed by using thematic analysis, it was found teachers and students' perception toward grammar instruction in communicative language teaching. The first teacher's perception in teaching grammar instruction in a communicative language teaching classroom. 1. The teachers think that providing students with explicit explanation was an effective way to teach grammar instruction in CLT classroom. 2. In learning process, teachers using group and pair work was designed to promote communication in CLT classroom. 3. Teacher claimed that in learning process, error correction was one of process students to mastering materials. So, correcting mistakes was an obligation for teachers. 4. Teachers perceived they should act as motivator in the teaching learning process and training students to take responsibility in develop their activities. 5. In teaching grammar instruction in CLT classroom, students should not only mastering the theory but also practicing the theory. Okay, I think it is enough for my reading today. If I have made mistake, I say so. I say sorry, and to Allah we are apologies. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time.